I did another bargain grocery haul to see what new products they have, but this time I went with No Egg Craig. He's never been here before, so let's go inside and see what they have. Just gotta like kind of go through the stuff here. Not everything's vegan, but oh, here it is. You say vegan on them? They're new.
What is it? You see?
Oh yeah, it says vegan.
Yeah, it says vegan right there.
Huh.
Breakfast bites
What?
with vegan egg and sausage. Interesting. Oh my god, there's
you grabbed
so much good stuff.
These things are good.
Oh, the Amy's not always vegan. That contains milk.
Plant-based chicken ball. The plant-based chicken ball are $3 for these. So as I'm sitting here editing this video, I noticed there was a Jack and Annie's right there, and I didn't see it while I was there. Yeah. All the pizzas. He's like, yeah. This is Craig's first time here. He's going crazy with all these pizzas.
It's like trick-or-treating. It's like Expo West, but better.
So they have the Sicilian
I'd
pizza.
rather pay and get better stuff.
These ones right here, these are really good. These,
That's my favorite pizza.
yeah, these are really freaking good. The 2 cheese one, I'm gonna get one of these. I haven't seen Nanaimo in a while. They got it. Maybe I'll grab it. Here's the cereal that was $2, this Dash. I've had the strawberry, but the coffee one is new. And these peppermint dark chocolate squares, they remind me of the After Eights that I used to eat like 20 years ago or so. And they got the Beyond Jerky and this mayo, which I haven't had. And here's some of this red sauce. Craig found this one, vegan. It's just like a powdered plant-based crumble. Here's the ingredients. And then, of course, these magic chocolate bars by Dr. Bronner's. They're not bad, and they're only 99 cents. I got 2 bags full. Craig's got like 4 bags full. Like a million pizzas. There you go.
It's heavy.
What'd yours come to?
128.
Oh my God, Chris. We gotta go before they realize what a good deal we got. So now what we do is we put them in the coolers. I just throw these coolers in there so stuff doesn't melt on the way home. Because it's like an hour away. 3 popsicles, dude.
This is like juice, popsicle juice.
Juice popsicles. It looks like everything I got fits in one cooler today, which normally is not the case. So what do you think? First time at Bargain Grocery. Do you think you got a bargain?
Yeah. I got enough bargain for me and my family. That's why I got so much, because it's not just for me.
Right. Oh, it was an accident that just happened, maybe?
Maybe I can...
I can't even see that truck in front of us.
I'll pull over, catch this.
I'm just going to show you everything that I ended up getting. The only thing I have in the bag here are these Yukon Gold potatoes. Normally these are like $6 or $7, maybe even more, but it was $2.99, so I had to get those. I love making mashed potatoes with those. All right, so here's what we got here. In no particular order, we've got some Oatly, cookie dough, and some Nanaimo mint chip. I haven't seen Nanaimo in quite some time. I got some of these. I didn't even know about these until one of you actually sent me some. But these Chalk Zero filled dark chocolate, peppermint chocolates. So I got these were $2 each. Had to grab them. Never had these. This is a brand that I haven't heard of called Open Nature. They're plant-based chicken-less nuggets. And they do say vegan right there. 12 grams of protein, chickenless nuggets. These were $3, so I had to try them. I'm going to try them. Then this plant-based red sauce ground veggie meatless mix. Looks like it's rustic Italian. They got it on some pasta there. So you season that up. This is by Urban Accents Culinary. $2. These are new. The Morningstar Farms Breakfast Bites with Vegan Egg and Sausage. These were $4. Grab a bite. Excellent. And on the back, it does say vegan right there for quick reference. Which you got to check Morningstar because not all their products are vegan. Gardein, all of their products are vegan. This is plant-based teriyaki chicken strips, 18 grams of protein, 220 calories. These were $3. I had to get some of this because it just looks so good. And normally it's a tub of guacamole. And normally this is like $7 or $8, but $2. So got a tub of guacamole there. We got the Alpha strips, chicken strips. And then I got a couple of these bowls. We have the plant. I thought I got one of each, but I guess I got the plant-based chicken parmesan bowl by Tattooed Chef. So that'll be a quick meal. These were $3 each. Again, they usually have these here, but the Tattooed Chef vegan sausage and egg cheese breakfast burritos. I got a couple of these. They're only $1 each. I haven't heard of this company, but I found some ketchup. Ketchup's been pretty expensive lately, and I like ketchup. I normally go with the organic one. This is called House Recipe, and they were $2 each, so I grabbed a couple of those. These are really good. These are normally like $7.50 for one of these bags, but these were only $3. I got the ultimate chickenless nuggets, chicken nuggets, vegan nuggets there. And the tenders, I got the tenders. And I also got the patty, so I got one of each. And so that was a score, because right there, that cost me $9. And the Tattooed Chef 2-cheese pizza. These pizzas are actually really good, so we got one of those, $4. And then the last thing that I got are the Just Egg. They had a ton of them there. So I grabbed a few. I've got 6 of them. They were $2 each. Normally they're like $5, $6, $7 depending on where you shop. And that's what I got. That was my haul, grocery haul. And I've already looked everything up to see the average price on most of these items in the store. And it looks like everything here that I got totals to about $154, and I got everything for $63. So huge savings. I saved almost $100 on all this stuff. It's not my biggest savings, but I didn't do that big of a haul today. But there you are, bargain grocery on a budget, vegan. Obviously, none of this stuff is like health food. I'd say that these are the healthiest right here, the potatoes and the guac. But this is food that I can put in my freezer, and if I'm in a pinch, I have food at the house. And that's my haul. I've been going to Bargain Grocery for about 3 or 4 years now, and I always like to go there and see what's new. So I took Craig here for the first time today. He's never been there, and he had a good time, so you might want to go check out his video if you haven't already. He actually goes and surprises his family at the end of his video with the stuff, so that's pretty fun stuff over there. As always, I sell these hoodies, t-shirts. I make them myself. You can support the channel by picking one up, link below. I also have a Patreon if you want to support me over there. And other than that, stay safe, watch out for zombies. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and one more thing that I got today is some vegan potato chip bark from Hercules Candies. This stuff's amazing.